So some days I have to dedicate myself to others, but on certain days I have to dedicate myself to myself. Yesterday was one of those days where I just had, I'd come back from a beautiful trip and I was just exhausted. And I left this place, went home, went to sleep, got 8 hours of rest. And now today I can dedicate myself to others. My name is CJ. This is Evolve Strong with CJ, and I'll help you lose 10 pounds and 5 inches off your waist in 28 days guaranteed. I've been the owner and operator of Evolve Strong now for just under 2 decades. I've been in the industry now for over 30 years, and I've helped, no shitting you, well over 10,000 individuals lose that weight and find themselves. And today I help dedicate myself to middle-aged professionals looking to find themselves again and to dig themselves out of the holes that sometimes we find ourselves in. And that's what I've been doing now for the last 30 years. So let's talk about you. Let's talk about how you need to make yourself a priority in life. And it's okay. And as your trainer, I am sitting here today to tell you it is okay to make yourself a priority, because if you are not healthy, if you are not in the right state of mind, if you are not where you need to be, you are in no position to be helping others. None. And if you try, you're going to exhaust yourself. You're going to just give everything you got, and then all of a sudden it's just going to fall apart. I was there. I've been there. I've done that. When I was 20 years old, I took over my father's organization. He had a heart attack at that time, and I was really beginning in my fighting career and trying my best to, become the world champion in NASCAR and USKA. And I was knee deep in athletic training program over at the University of New Mexico, and I had my future set. Then my dad had his first heart attack. My older brothers were just not in a position to take over the organization. And so I gave up my dreams and I took it over and did awesome for about 8 years. I even was able to get into the Harvard University and get my graduate level degree work there and become an alumni of the Harvard Graduate School of Business in 2008. But that's when everything just went to shit. And I had given everything up for my family. I grew the organization. Everything was just going balls to the walls. Then the economy failed, and there was some disruption in my family. When there was disruption in my family, the large clients just felt it, and they didn't like us. And they didn't like that type of insecurities with large contracts with us. And when I got back from Harvard, I couldn't save the organization. I gave it my all. And I was drinking daily. I was just doing bullshit just to overcome the anxiety, overcome the stress. I was using bad habits to handle the stresses of my life. And I was trying to help everybody else, but not myself. And I dug myself into the deepest hole. And unfortunately, I almost buried myself there for the rest of my life. And I remember that vividly. And today, when I need to step back and I need to say, stop, I need to take care of myself. I need to just pull away, because you know what? The daily stresses are always going to be here. There's always going to be work. There's always going to be stress. What I've realized is it's a gauntlet. And once you reach the top, there's just another hill to climb. There's just some more hills to climb. And it's about the process every single day of being in the game. My goal is to stay in the game as long as I possibly can. And yes, the more stresses I have and the bigger the dragons that I battle, it's because I've gotten to a next level. And I realize that. And so I have to get up in the morning, I have to put my underoos on, I have to put my big boy pants on, and I have to fight. I have to do what is necessary to stay in the game on a daily basis. It's not that I just reached it. And I'll tell you, I train a lot of wonderful individuals. Those individuals that basically kind of don't have a game to fight anymore, they kind of wither away. It's just, I don't want to be that person. So I want to stay in the game as much as I possibly can. But I also have to realize that I am important. My health is important. I will never allow myself to get to a point where I am stretched so thin to where I'm trying to help everybody else, but then I forget about me. And that's a huge deal. A lot of you that step into Evolve, or a lot of you that I start to help with, the first lesson that I try to instill in them that it is okay to take care of you. It is okay to make you a priority. Because if you are not the priority, if you don't make yourself the priority, you're going to burn yourself dead. You're literally going to die, period. Heart attacks, eating yourself to death, drinking yourself to death, smoking, all the bad habits that come to bear. It's a big deal. So, the lesson to learn today is it's okay to make you a priority. It's okay to step away from everything get the rest, to get the exercise, to get the relief that you need, whatever you need in order to make sure that you are okay. So today, make yourself the priority. Do the work. That doesn't mean that you can be lazy and just sit in front of a TV on Netflix and chill. Now, if you're Netflix and chilling with heart rates up, then I'm cool with that. But if you're just Netflixing and drinking a beer and just chilling, that's not going to help. Get your movement in. Take a hike. Go for a walk. Eat something healthy. Make a good choice. Do something that is good for you, but that will have lasting effects. Cool beans? 505-591-4700 is my number. 505-591-4700 is my number. I'm here to help. Reach out. That's all you need to do. If you like this, please share it. If you know someone else who needs to hear it, share it. I love that. Hey, from my heart to yours, remember, start strong, stay strong, always be Evolve strong. Later, guys.